All right, students, hey, ran the front and back, came out okay. We're ready to run the sides now. Wanted to show you that process of how we adjust the jig for the sides. Putting on the GoPro, making sure I've got my angle right, hopefully. So we got to unlock it on the ends over here, on each end. Then I've got to move over to hole number 2 for finger joints. You see it? Hole number 2. There's a little pin that fits in there. To do that, I've got to take my board off, my sacrificial backer board, and I'm going to also be changing to the side. Okay, let's try that again. There's number 2, fitting in the pin's fitting in the hole over here, and it is fitting in the slot. Okay, so that feels good. Going to move my stops in a little bit and lock that one down and locking this one down. All right, so that's secure. Then I'm going to go with my piece in next, and you can see I've got it marked there. I'm going to mark this side. I want it to be against my stop on both passes. Let's see this one. Yep, it's this edge goes against the stopper on our jig. All right, so here we go. Let's put it in there. It's against the stop. What we did is we moved this over 1 tooth, and I'm ready for my side sacrificial board. See if we can get it in there. I've got it set pretty tight. Okay, first piece is against the stop, and then my sacrificial board's lined up. I think we got it. I'd like that to be a little tighter. I'm going to go another 180 turn. That one feels pretty good. All right, so we've got our front sacrificial board lined up and everything's good. Now we need this one. Have to move this around a little bit. It goes against the stop as well, up tight to our board, so it cannot tear out. I'm going to bring in this stop a little bit. Up tight. That feels pretty good, and that feels pretty good. All right, that's all there is to it. We're in position 2 for the finger joints. Then we can try, we've got the 4 ends to do, then we'll see how it fits together. Let's try this. Put on my hearing protection. I'll do a couple for you, and then I'll do 2 off camera, then we'll go see how it fits together. Just following the bushing with our jig. So the bit does its work without tearing out, hopefully. There's one. Loosen it here. Take our piece out, keeping the same edge against the stop of the jig. Sure it's in there nice and straight. That's as straight as I can get it. Let's try it. Keeping it clean. All right, we'll be able to test a corner, won't we? Let's try it. If I take this out, boy, that doesn't look too good there, does it? A little bit of tear out. Wonder if I had my part close enough or tight enough. All right, so here's the side. Here is, let's go with the front. I'm going with my lettering out and my X edge down. Look at that. Maybe just a little bit tight, but that works. Heck yeah. I think that'll be just fine. I wanted to leave just a hair, 32nd of an inch of material so we could sand that smooth. But that's how it's done, people. I'll do the other side, and the next video we'll have to cut a dado for our bottom panel all the way around, and then we can assemble our drawer, put on the drawer front, and we'll have a drawer. We'll see you then.